Yo, first order of the day, Voodoo Donut, $12.25, going just under 6 miles. You too, thank you. I think this is going to a motel, hotel, something like that. It says leave at front desk, so we'll see what happens. Next order up is a Starbucks. This is $7, going about 4 miles.
There you go.
Thank you. Next up is a Walmart order. This is $15, going 3.5 miles. Check in and then wait. That's all I get.
I don't see it anywhere. I'm pretty sure it's a real order and we have it. I don't know if it's ready yet though. Hey, so the order was already taken like a while ago.
See, this is the stuff that really pisses me off. Wasted 10 to 15 minutes just to get canceled on. Like, come on, man. Finally got my next order. This is for Sherry's, $9.25, going 2.5 miles.
No problem.
This is for Chris.
Yep. Thank you. Next order up is for Gravity Coffee. This is $10.33, going 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. It says please leave the order on the chair and knock on the door. Thank you very much. Why is that whipped cream poking up at me? Must be happy to see me, I guess. Next up, we've got Seize the Bagel, $9 and some change, going about 4 miles. Yeah. Next order up is for 7-Eleven. This is $10, going 2 miles.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This is $13.50, going just under 7 miles. 2 items. And then just scribble on that line for me.
Yeah.
Next order is for Muchas Gracias. This is $12, going 5.5 miles.
There you go. Have a good day, thank you.
Thank you. Next up is a shop and deliver for PetSmart. This is $12.50, going 4 miles, 3 items. This. Of course it is. Don't have any. This guy's got 1 more minute and I'm gonna go check out. Do not have time for this. Looks like the dog's not getting any bones today. $70?
Yep.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Bro was spending over $100 on his dog, but couldn't bother to check his phone. And I'm willing to bet that the tip on this order is no more than $5. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm right. Finally got an order. This is for 5 guys, $12 and some change, going 2 miles.
No.
Let me double check if there's Sprite. I'm second guessing myself. Yep, sorry.
Sprite, yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Car smells like fries now. Just got gas and no orders. So I think I'm just calling it here because I'm kind of tired of getting rained on today. Anyways, current time is 11:35. Current total is 110, and I still have 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so 120-ish, honestly. I don't know how I am so far behind pace today when I've got $2 peak pay running on both apps. I don't know. I'm over it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.